So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, make sure that you have Microsoft Teams fully closed. So in the bottom right of our taskbar, you're going to click on the arrow. Now you're going to find Microsoft Teams, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Quit Teams. Make sure you have Microsoft Teams fully closed. Now you just want to open it back up again, and then this should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed though, for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft Teams. You're going to click on the three dots, and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. And then once you've uninstalled Microsoft Teams, you're going to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on the Microsoft Store, you're going to search for Teams. You're going to click on Microsoft Teams. And now you just want to download it again, and then this should now fix your problem.